because I have taken a view, going by the past healthy precedents, that 267 will be invoked only when principal parties and other leaders agree to it. Khadge ji. No, Mr. Khadge Jairam ji, let the leader of the opposition speak. I called you because he was not there.
Sir, these are the things. When opposition party puts 267, we request you, not the government. And naturally, the government will not agree with our proposals.
Sir, I want your view on this. You don't agree?
A Manipur case we want to discuss.
Fine.
Manipur case we want to discuss because these are very important.
No, sir, nothing will go on record except this. I am seeking your enlightened view. I am seeking your guidance on this issue. No, sir. No, all right, sir. Nothing will go on record. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. That's not the way I expected. I want limited response, your counsel, your guidance, your enlightened view on this 267, which is very important because it concerns youth of our country. It concerns with a sector where these people are in a silo, going to coaching centers, and all those issues will come. So what is your view?
देखिए सर, नहीं, आप देखिए 267 जब कोई
no one has spoken for party.
When आप उसको
I think Mr. Khadge represents the party. Why are you raising your hands?
No, my party people are very peaceful, sir.
Are they, sir?
Yeah.
Sir.
They are very peaceful, very cooperative,
Sir,
everything.
Sir,
But only
sir,
thing
you are
is
never
that,
wrong. But problem is you don't look back. I look all.
no,
They are irrepressible on occasions.
it is my habit
Sir.
to see front only, not back. So it happens.
Same my habit, sir. We should never look back. Let us move ahead, leaving
So
the
if
bad
you
baggage
go
behind.
and see back from front, people will attack.
Yes.
That's why. That's why. But you have to give chance
Sanjay,
at least.
one second.
In some other form, you should bring immediately.
Yes, exactly. So, Sanjay, 1 second. I am not opening up the discussion for one reason. Otherwise, I'll give you time. Because since Mr. Khadge has taken a view that he does not agree to 267, then when I have a discussion today, you can speak out. इसीलिए बोलेंगे नहीं मेरा ये है नहीं 1 second, don't look at them. Sanjay, don't look. Sanjay, look at me. I give you permission. You don't get permission from them. Look here. देखिए
30 सेकंड
संजय
30 सेकंड
संजय एक बात सुनना माननीय खड़गे जी ने जब मैंने ये राय मांगी एंड मैं उनका गाइडेंस चाहता था क्योंकि मेरा स्पष्ट मत है और ये मत इसलिए है कि मेरे से पहले जो इस कुर्सी पर विद्वान व्यक्ति बैठते थे उन्होंने इस प्रक्रिया की शुरुआत की थी कि हाउस को एडजर्न करने के लिए कम से कम मेन पार्टीज का एग्रीमेंट होना चाहिए और औरों की राय लेनी चाहिए जब एक राय आ गई है तो 267 एडमिट नहीं हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा इसलिए बैठ जाइए इसलिए कह रहा हूँ और क्यों नहीं हो रहा है ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स आई हैव इंडिकेटेड ऑन सेवरल ओकेजन्स दैट 267 हैज टू बी consensus of the house. It was there on demonetization. Consensus of the house was there. Since it is not in this case, I will confer with the leaders whether I take recourse to rules 176 or rule 180. And that I will confer with them at the earliest occasion after we are few minutes in the 0 hour. And I will request the leaders to spare time for their guidance to me in my chamber. Honorable members, Mr. Khadge, I decide to settle in chamber. Earlier also you have taken a view, and chamber is used for conference with leaders of the opposition. It is a right place where discussion should take place. No, sir, I don't discuss in the house. House time is valuable. which rule I go for, I'm seeking, please, sir. Honorable members, sir, nothing will go on record, sir, nothing, sir. Sir, you wanted to discuss here, sir? Okay, sir, okay. I leave it to the wisdom of the, one second, I leave it to the wisdom of the honorable leader of the opposition, whether he want discussion today or not, one. And number two, would he want a discussion under Rule 176, short duration discussion, or a calling attention motion under Rule 180? Ultimately, I'll take a call.
And on need.
One second, please, hear the leader of the opposition.
Yes,
least you also
on need 167 you take.
Eh?
267 you take. NEET Manipur.
Okay.
No,
Sir, we are not discussing that. It is not before me. Sir, it is not before me. Okay, I'll take those of the leaders who agree to help me out and agree to my request to see me in chamber may see me at all right. Finding the stance of the main opposition party from the chair, realizing the gravity of the issue, seriousness of it, the impact it has on us, we need a discussion, and the discussion will be under Rule 176 and will happen today. If you want by a calling attention motion, that option I give, and I will discuss with the leaders on this. Please.
We should include NEET also. We should include coaching.
Mr. Jairam, nothing will go on record. Mr. Jairam Ramesh, this is a very, very important issue, and I would urge. Nothing will go on record. Honorable members as per guidelines. One second. Honorable members as per guidelines. Honorable members. Sudhanshu, please. No, please. Wait for, no, nothing. Your leader has spoken. On.
Sir, that is regarding the closure of the factory.
You know my question.
Almost
I have just
1,000 people are suffering.
267 I will invoke when all parties are in consensus.
Other
Please.
sections, sir.